Hi, today we're going to take a look at the Grady-White 215 Freedom. This is a 2021. Do a quick walk around. This one's powered by a Yamaha F200. Easy access into the boat. Mosquito pylon back here. Lots of room to mount your electronics. Here we have your live well. Easy access to your battery switch, which is right there. Your engine flush, which is here. Captain seat, back to back seat, storage underneath that'll also lay flat. Fusion stereo system. You also have covers your mooring cover that comes with this boat. This is obviously your head area. And there's your Fusion stereo system. 12-volt accessory there on the side. Bow area with cushions, easy access. Walk right up, unlock your anchor locker lid. Your anchor will be in there. Recessed cleats. Fish boxes under the seats here for storage. Both sides. You also have storage under here. Lots of storage in this boat.